Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Parthenocarpic seeds is probably one of the most fascinating advancements in the agricultural world, allowing for the development of seedless fruits without compromising on taste or quality. In this video, we will explore the advantages and considerations of using Parthenocarpic seeds, helping you make informed decisions for your garden or farm. We will delve into the science behind this process and examine different types of Parthenocarpic seeds available on the market, comparing their characteristics and suitability for various applications. Number 5. Gardener's Basic Survival Kit. This kit provides a wide variety of seeds for your gardening needs. It's perfect for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. You'll find everything you need to cultivate a thriving garden, including lettuce, beets, carrots, and more. Grow your own fresh vegetables. Unlike other kits, it comes in seed packets, not plastic bags, to prevent mold and ensure seed viability. Detailed instructions are included. These seeds are grown, sourced, and packaged right here in the USA. They make a great gift for any gardener. It offers peace of mind knowing you can grow your own food. The easy-to-grow varieties are perfect for any skill level. We're confident you'll love this kit. If not, simply contact us for assistance. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. It boasts an incredible variety of seeds, ensuring a diverse harvest. If you're looking for a wide selection to grow your own food, this is perfect for you. This kit is ideal for beginners and experienced gardeners alike, offering a comprehensive gardening experience. What people say. The variety of veggie seeds is great. I was very pleased with the quantity of non-GMO seeds. Perfect for my organic garden. Every seed I set for from this company has germinated. Germinated perfectly and sprouted so fast. These are amazing seed starters. Number 4. Survival Garden Seeds 30-pack. Start your own garden with our 30-pack of heirloom seeds. It's a great way to grow your own fresh fruits and vegetables. These seeds are non-GMO and heirloom varieties, ensuring quality and a diverse harvest. Each seed is carefully selected for growing success. They're perfect for any USDA zone, whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out. Grow them indoors or outdoors, even hydroponically. This kit comes in a waterproof, resealable bag for long-term storage. It's ideal for emergency preparedness or simply securing your food supply. Each packet includes instructions for planting and saving seeds after harvest. It's easy to get started and continue growing season after season. We're a small American family-owned business committed to providing fresh, high-quality, non-GMO heirloom seeds. We ensure the best germination rates for your success. What we like. This kit provides a massive amount of seeds, guaranteeing a bountiful yield season after season. If you prioritize quantity and a wide range of heirloom varieties, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those aiming for long-term food security and self-sufficiency. What people say. The seeds are high quality, non-GMO, and have great germination rates. I was pleasantly surprised at how quickly and robustly they sprouted. The variety of seeds included is impressive, covering everything from vegetables and herbs to leafy greens, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced gardeners. I love the variety of seeds included. The instructions on how to prepare each seed for germination seems to be spot on, and a high percentage of each seed has germinated successfully. The plants are robust and are growing well. Number 3. Wright National Pickling Cucumber Seeds. These heirloom cucumber seeds are perfect for growing your own pickles or enjoying fresh. Each packet contains at least 1 gram of seeds, enough for a bountiful harvest. It's simple to get started. Plant them about ½ inch deep, and space them properly for optimal growth. You'll have delicious cucumbers ready to harvest in 55 to 65 days. This heavy-producing variety is self-pollinating and burpless. They're great for pickles or eating fresh, and the sweet skins don't even need peeling. Use them in salads, sandwiches, or even enjoy them plain. They're a key ingredient in many Asian dishes, and you can increase yields by letting them climb a trellis. We're committed to sustainability. Our operation is solar-powered, and we only sell fresh, non-GMO heirloom seeds. We stand behind our product and will make things right if they don't germinate. What we like. This option focuses on a specific, high-yielding cucumber variety perfect for pickling. If you love homemade pickles and want an easy-to-grow option, this is ideal. It's a simple, reliable choice for a delicious and satisfying harvest. Number 2. Beit Alpha Cucumber Seeds. Grow delicious, burpless cucumbers right in your own garden. These heirloom seeds are easy to plant and produce a heavy yield of sweet, flavorful cucumbers. Each packet contains at least 1 gram of seeds, enough to get you started. They're a self-pollinating variety, perfect for home gardens. Plant them 1-2 inch deep, spacing them 36 to 48 inches apart. They'll mature in 55 to 65 days and thrive in USDA zones 4 to 12. Enjoy them in salads, sandwiches, or even straight from the vine. They're also great for pickling and add a tasty touch to many dishes. Clear instructions are included on every packet, and we're here to help if you have any questions. These non-GMO seeds are grown sustainably with solar power. What we like. This kit offers a different cucumber variety, perfect for fresh eating. If you prefer fresh cucumbers for salads and snacks, this is your best bet. It's a straightforward choice for those who want a quick and easy way to enjoy fresh cucumbers. What people say. Pick the cucumbers when they're around 5 inches. 13 centimeters long. They're mild and delicious with thin skin and a few small seeds. Every seed planted sprouted and the production was crazy. I direct seeded in raised beds. These Beit Alphas produced like crazy. Planted 6, and after a few weeks of growing, was harvesting 4 to 10 a day for a good 2 months off this one batch of planting. 100% germination rate or very close to it. Number 1. Medicinal Tea Seeds Collection. Grow your own tasty herbal teas, tinctures, and tisanes with this collection of 9 non-GMO heirloom herbs. It's perfect for creating your own home remedies and adding beauty to your garden. These medicinal herbs offer various health benefits and many are also edible, adding a delicious touch to your culinary creations. Attract pollinators like bees and butterflies with their fragrant blossoms. Whether you have a large garden or a small apartment, these seeds can thrive. They are ideal for pots, raised beds, or even indoor hydroponic systems. Embrace a more self-sufficient lifestyle by growing your own herbs. They also make excellent companion plants for your other garden vegetables. The package includes simple, easy-to-follow instructions for planting and germination, perfect for both beginners and experienced gardeners. You'll even learn how to save seeds after harvest. We are a small American family-owned business committed to providing fresh, high-quality, non-GMO heirloom seeds. These untreated seeds are tested for optimal germination and will remain viable for years if stored properly. What we like. This unique collection lets you grow your own medicinal herbs. If you are interested in herbal remedies and want to grow your own teas and tinctures, this is a must-have. It's perfect for those seeking natural health solutions and adding beauty to their garden. What people say. Packaging was good and user-friendly. The selection was pretty comprehensive and included some of my favorites in calendula, catnip, mint and lemon balm. All nicely packaged with instructions. All grew well. The catnip is producing leaves for teas and for the cats to enjoy. Ditto lemon balm which is ready to transplant into its next pot. The plants are healthy, the leaves smelling very nice, especially the lemon balm. The marigolds. I actually had 2, out of 3 seeds, germinate and produce twin plants close together. They both grew to be over 4-1-2 feet tall and are producing flowers. Lots of potential blossoms waiting to happen and minus some issues with leaf miner. The plants are healthy. They attacked insects looking for nectar including fiery skippers and other butterflies. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.